Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank, and today I will show you how to craft half-blind dovetail joints with the VS600 system. This is one of the half-blind dovetail joints, SZ14. The advantage of having the half-blind dovetail joint is that the joint is only visible on one side. This joint would be ideal for constructing drawers, for example. What do I need for it? The VS600 base unit and the corresponding template.
Diese Schablone wird eingesetzt in diese Grundeinheit.
When mounting the template to the base unit, I make sure that the arrows fit neatly in the windows, so that I always have the right distance from the workpiece edge.
Sodass ich hier immer den richtigen Abstand zu meiner Werkstückkante habe. Nachdem ich hier die Schablone eingelegt habe,
now that I've mounted the template and the eccentric wheels fit neatly into the base unit, I screw the template together with these black holding screws. Now I can swivel away the whole unit upwards and have a clear view of the corresponding side stops. Here I set the side stop to SZ14. I do the same on the other side as well. The workpiece is fixed with the clamping bars, which are situated in the front as well as the rear area. Here I have a lighter and a darker wood to make the contrast more visible to you. I put the light wood, which I have already marked with my angle sign on the upper side. I put the other wood in the front side and brace the assembly. I insert a workpiece on both sides so that the template does not warp. The second wood is inserted from the other side. You can see clearly that I have two side stops which are slightly offset. The assembly is fixed with the black holding screws and then coordinated and aligned.
Und nachher hier aufeinander abgestimmt und ausgerichtet.
As soon as the workpieces are clamped and aligned to each other at the side stops, I swivel the whole unit downwards again. I lock it with my clamping lever, and I can work with my cutter now. We have mounted a dovetail cutter to the OF1010 router, which is especially tailored to the VS600 dovetail system. The cutter is positioned here and lowers onto the surface of the workpiece. Now it is important to set the exact depth of 12 millimeters. For this purpose, I lower my fine adjustment to the turret stop and align the fine adjustment exactly to the measurement of 12 millimeters. With the depth, I can even adjust the exact fit to the 10th millimeter range. Next, I mount the extraction hood. The power supply is connected as well. To minimize the tearing of the wood in the front, I scribe the workpiece in the front. For this purpose, I have built myself a supply rail to achieve a better guidance of the router. Here I go from the left to the right side to get a straight, clean edge.
nehme ich das Holz.
After scribing, I remove the supply rail and I can cut the single teeth.
Natürlich an dieser Schablone mit meinem Kopierring entlang führend.
The workpiece can be unclamped and put together.
Und zusammenklemmen.
A plastic hammer helps. This way I get an optimal fit.
Zusammen habe ich hier eine wunderbare Passung.
If the teeth do not run out evenly, I subsequently have the option to cut here with a circular saw, so that they are all parallel.
Nachträglich noch hier mit der Kreissäge den Zinken so anzuschneiden, dass er parallel ist. Tja, das war's wieder hier bei Festool.
That's it again for Festool TV. I hope that you had fun watching, and thank you for your attention. Yours, Frank.